Hey guys, it's Jenna from Uncomplicated Kitchen, and today I'm going to do something different. I know a lot of you have asked me what to do with all the greens that are coming out of your garden, and as you can see, I have a big empty space. I went out to go to the grocery store this morning and I noticed that a lot of my spinach was bolting, which means it was going to seed and it was going to change flavors rapidly and it would be bitter and gross. And so I had to get it all out of there. So this is an unexpected detour this morning, but here's the spinach. It's a big old pile of spinach. It's my favorite variety and I refuse to let it go to waste. So what I did was I harvested it all and I'm going to take it inside and I'm going to rinse it off and I'm going to show you guys how to save it for later. See you soon.